Find a file in Python. I have a file that may be in a different place on each user's machine. Is there a way to implement a search for the file? A way that I can pass the file's name and the directory tree to search in?
Als.walk is the answer. This will find the first match. And this will find all matches. And this will match a pattern.
In Python 3.4 or newer, you can use pathlib to do recursive globbing. Reference this URL. In Python 3.5 or newer, you can also do recursive globbing like this. Reference this URL.
I used a version of Als.walk, and on a larger directory got times around 3.5 seconds. I tried 2 random solutions with no great improvement, then just did what it's POSIX only. I got 0.25 seconds. From this, I believe it's entirely possible to optimize whole searching a lot in a platform independent way, but this is where I stopped the research. If you are using Python on Ubuntu and you only want it to work on Ubuntu, a substantially faster way is to use the terminal's locate program like this. Search_results is a list of the absolute file paths. This is 10,000s of times faster than the methods above, and for one search I've done it was 72,000 times faster.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.